Hi, this is Livingstone Tower. It's not much to look at, but in normal circumstances, this is our home. I thought I'd bring you here as a useful place to introduce this week's topic, which is arithmetic. So if we head over to the steps, you can see that I'm going to be using the steps to represent the notion of place value. I thought I'd just talk about ordinary arithmetic with ordinary decimal digits. So here I've got a step for the ones, and a step up for the tens, and a step up to the hundreds. And what I've got here is a bunch of digits. But it's not a number, because there isn't such a number as 5 and 400, 30, 20, 9, 7. It's not a number because there's more than one digit at the same place value, more than one thing on a step. So that gives us an adding up problem. Now, lots of us were taught lots of different ways of adding up, and they all work. And they all work because they're dependent on the basic idea of taking two decimal digits and one carry bit and replacing them by just one decimal digit and a carry on the next step up. So if we try that with the smallest possible inputs, I've got two naught digits and a naught carry. When I add them, I get naughty naught. Meanwhile, if I take the largest possible inputs, two nines and a 1, that gives me, it still doesn't carry more than 1. I get 1-9, or 19 as we call it. Let's get back to our adding up problem. Here I've got 539 plus 427, but I could just as well add up 529 and 437. I can juggle the digits around as long as I don't mess up the place value. Now, sensible people start adding at the ones, but as long as we follow the golden rule of adding, we can actually start anywhere we like. I'm a dafty, so I'm going to start in the middle. What I do is I can put a carry of 0 in to make up our 3, and then I do 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 5, carrying a 0 into the hundreds. All right, now I'll do the ones. Again, I put in a carry of 0 to make up our 3, and then I say 9 plus 7 plus 0 is 6, carry 1. Okay, back to the tens. I can turn the 1 from red to blue, that doesn't change its numerical value. Put in a carry of 0 and we're good to go. 1 plus 5 plus 0 is going to be 6, carry 0. And now I've got loads of stuff in the hundreds, but I can say 4 plus 5 plus 0 is 9, carrying a 0 into the thousands. Finally, I can get rid of leading 0. That's a 0 on the top step, as long as there's something below it. And this 0 is now on the top step, so it goes as well. And we've computed our sum by repeating the golden rule and got 966, which is the correct answer. Why don't you try doing it in different ways? Just as long as you follow the golden rule, addition always works.